name is Sumit Agarwal and I'm from India. I'm a DEI consultant who works as an associate at Great Place to Work. I'm also associated with Tech Mahindra Foundation. I'm also a trainer and a faculty at ICFI Business School, Kolkata. So I do a lot of engagements. I'm also the icon of the Election Commission of India. One of the good things is that I completed the HR Generalist certification from CHRMP. And the best thing about the program was it focused on the practical aspects. The HR industry is constantly changing and evolving, and it is very difficult to keep up with the new laws, new mandates, how to tackle human emotions in the age of AI. It's always a major challenge to emotionalize intelligence in the age of AI. So I think what the HR Generalist program did was it gave me a kind of refresher on where HR still stands today and why is it important even in today's day and age where people say that everything is replaceable by AI. The reason I chose CHRMP is a lot of HR programs are out there, but CHRMP focuses on the implementation and practical aspects of things, which is very important. If you only focus on theory these days, I think you will not be able to relate it to the real life scenarios. Two important things which is best about the program is it really gives you that edge where you are able to implement the skills. And second is the self-learning program. Self-learning materials is something which you can keep with yourself. If you download the material, you can keep it with yourself. It will not be lost with you. If you are just attending live sessions and if you do not have the recorded version, you might just forget the material or lose access to it. But if you have downloaded PDFs, that makes it a little better. And definitely CHRMP I would recommend to a lot of people, but again, if they come with clarity about what they want to do, which program they want to pursue and why they want to pursue it, I think that helps you and that also helps CHRMP in understanding the career path that you want to follow. And that will also help CHRMP guide you better. So I think anybody who's coming to CHRMP should come with a clear focus and an intent. Okay, this is where I want to go, this is what I want to do, and CHRMP will set the path for you. Thank you so much.